I'm going to demonstrate the sound off my new Samgar air horn that I got off eBay for $15. And it's a simple spade hookup that uses the existing wires from the Ural, so there's no relays required. So come around. Don't really need to hear all that. Let me turn on, and here we go. That, my friends, is a pretty good horn. So it's an extremely easy hookup, and I highly recommend it for 15 bucks. What I ended up doing is one of the guys who told me about it could fit it in the existing area where the horn goes. I couldn't, so I just cut a small piece of aluminum and drilled it out and just mounted it on the existing strut. And what's good about it is full deflection of the fork. There's about a quarter of an inch or half-inch clearance, so that's not an issue. I can always move it back to that one instead of mounting it on the front, so we'll see. Thanks for watching.